Okay, so now we are going to start with our third typographic animation. Let's create a new composition. We will call it as main animation, like this. And width is 1920, height is 180, frame rate is 30, duration is 1 minute long, and background color, let's choose white color and simply hit OK. Go to choose grid and guide option and simply hit on title save action. Then I'm going to press Ctrl N to create another composition over here, or instead of that, let's do one thing. I'm going to simply select my text tool and I'm going to type whatever text I want. Let's do one thing. We will type motion, like this. Let's hide this. Select this, press Ctrl Alt Home. Go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically. Press S for scaling option and scale it somewhere like this. Then press Y, and by holding Control, I'll snap this anchor point at the bottom. Then enable this 3D icon over here. Now select this, press R for rotation, and we need to rotate it on let's say X-axis over here, and create one keyframe at X. Zoom in a little bit, go to around 4 seconds, and let's make this one complete rotation. And select those keyframes and hit F9. So if you see, you will get something like this. Go to the graph editor, select this graph. By holding shift, move one handle over here and move one handle over here, like this. So now if you see this animation, you will get something like this. Okay, let's move this up to 3 seconds, or let's say 2 seconds maybe, like this. Now select this, hit Ctrl D several times like this. Go to the start, hit new, hit page down button one time, select this and move this over here. And we need to do this procedure again and again and again. So we will get this kind of copies of this. Let's do that again. Like this. Okay, now select this, go to the effect and presets panel and search for fill effect to apply. Select this and change the color to this black, and instead of black I'm going to choose a little bit of grayish color, like this. Select this fill effect, hit Ctrl C, select this and hit Ctrl V, and we need to move this grayishness upwards like this. Now then select this effect, hit Ctrl C, select this, hit Ctrl V, change this grayishness somewhere around over here. Select this, hit Ctrl C, select this, hit Ctrl V. We need to move this over here. Select this, hit Ctrl C, select this, hit Ctrl V. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Same Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We will follow this procedure until we will reach our last layer. And for the last we choose this. So now if you play this animation, you're gonna get something like this, and if you see this in full resolution, it will take a little bit time to load, but your final output would look something like this. Okay, now it's up to you how much distance you want. You can simply select all of them and move this over here. Hit page down button 1 or 2 times, hold alt, close bracket, select this and this, right click, keyframe assistant, sequence layers, hit OK. Oops, let's select this and by holding shift select this, right click, keyframe assistant, sequence layers, hit OK, and we will increase this duration. And if you see this now, you will get something like this. Then hit N over here, like this. Okay, then select all of them by hitting Ctrl A, press Ctrl Shift C, and let's call it as text, and press Ctrl Y to create one solid background. Bring this backwards, select this first layer, go to the effect and presets panel and search for drop shadow effect to apply. Increase the distance to 20, softness to 200. Let's increase the softness and change the color of this one to somewhere around bluish or something. So you will get this kind of animation over here. Okay, let's decrease the opacity somewhere like this. Okay, so this is how also you can create this kind of typography animation.